He's basically playing Dempsey from fucking Black Ops Zombies. Yeah, he gave it a good reverse.
Does he know how to mess with Alpha?
That's white. Mine is firm.
Yeah, it was the one that I was playing with you on the field the other day, on the indoor field.
That's all right. Flip it back and forth, that changes the curvature of the piece. Right, but just so you know,
Okay.
No bands over here, bands over there. You're not on a team, get out of here in the middle.
Yeah.
no. What should make it?
I know, but I want him.
The guy needs to go.
Both of them.
His hand up in the air. Is that the ref? Yeah, that's the ref. Show! Into the bushes. I have no idea. Oh shit, I know where he's at. What? Good one. Hey! Fuck, you got me. Sorry to interrupt the video. To give you guys some clarification, there were a lot of cheaters out there that didn't even call their hits. The ones that I even shot at, and they still didn't call their hit, but I still announced it as a kill. And this dude particularly right here, we're only 50 feet away from their spawn. And this guy in a white hoodie with the symbol on it, he kept on cheating. He shot the ref multiple times. The ref didn't even do anything about it, including he was using profanity at us and stuff, yelling, cussing at us. Whenever we shot him, he was still at his spawn. And he kept on saying he could still do this all day, which is cheating. You're not supposed to shoot from your spawn. You're supposed to go out on the field. If you get hit, you go back to your spawn for 5 seconds and then you come back out. But luckily, later on in the day, the ref was able to point out the cheaters and they got banned. Got it. Grab him. I got left, I got left. Oh, it's wrong onto the right. What now? Fall back, fall back.